In this video, we are going to look on how to pay Atome via Instapay. First, open up your Atome Cash app and navigate to the Bills tab to view your ongoing bills. Select the bill you wish to pay and click on the Pay Now button. Then, choose the payment method as Instapay. Once you choose Instapay as your payment method, a unique Instapay payment code will be generated and copy the payment code. Then click on the link provided below the payment code to access a list of supported banks. Then open your bank's mobile app, website or your preferred e-wallet. Select the option to send money to other banks. Then look for the Instapay logo and select it as the transfer method. Enter the recipient's account name and paste the Instapay code you copied earlier. Confirm the transaction details. Then you will receive a one-time password on your registered mobile number. Enter the OTP to authenticate the transaction. Once the OTP is verified, the payment will be completed and you will receive a confirmation. I hope this helps you. Do like, share and subscribe to Easy Internet for more such videos. Thanks for watching.